Hello everyone, in this video I am going to explain a program that finds duplicated values in an array. First is this imported Java utility arrays. This import the arrays class from the Java util package. The array class provides utility functions for working with arrays. Example, it is used for sorting and searching. So in this case, we are searching for duplicated values in our arrays. Next is this is the class name find duplicates. Then this is the program entry point. This is where the program starts. Then now we are going to declare and initialize the array. So the data type for our array is an integer, which means that inside our array the values of the array should be an integer. Then name of our array variable is array. Then in this line, the program will find duplicate values in this array. Then this is the calling the find duplicate method. This calls the method find duplicate, passing the array as an argument. The method will check for duplicate values and print their indices. This line of code defines a method named findDuplicate that takes an integer array as input. This method is static, so it can be called without creating an object of the class. So in this line is our array is being called in this block of code. Then next we have our outer loop iterating over each array element. This loop iterates through each element of the array. I is the index of the current element being checked. The inner loop checking for duplicates. This loop starts at I plus 1, ensuring each element is compared only with the elements after it. This prevents redundant comparisons. Then this if statement here checks for duplicate values. This condition checks if the value at index I matches the value at index j. If array is equal equal to array j, it means we found a duplicate. Then printing the duplicate value and indices. This prints the duplicate value and its position in the array. Now let's try to run the code. So this is the output. Duplicate value 5 found at index 0 and 3. So our duplicated value is located at index 0, 5, and index 3, 5. Then our next duplicate value is 7, found at index 1 and index 5.